Hello, everyone. We're starting a tutorial on Omniverse Replicator. This is the first video. In this video, we're going to learn about the basics of Omniverse Replicator and how to set it up for synthetic data generation. Now, let's start with what is a replicator. Omniverse Replicator is a framework for developing custom synthetic data generation pipelines and services. Developers can generate physically accurate 3D synthetic data that serves as a valuable way to enhance the training and performance of AI perception networks, which are used in autonomous vehicles, robotics, and intelligent video analytics applications. Now, let's understand why is synthetic data so important. Developers need large, carefully labeled datasets to train neural networks. More diverse training data generally makes for more accurate AI models. The problem is gathering and labeling datasets that may contain a few thousand to tens of millions of elements is time-consuming and often expensive. Synthetic data comes into play here. A single image that could cost $6 from a labeling service can be artificially generated for 6 cents. Cost savings are just the start. Synthetic data can address privacy issues and reduce bias by ensuring users have the data diversity to represent the real world. Because synthetic datasets are automatically labeled and can deliberately include rare but crucial corner cases, it's sometimes better than real-world data. Now, let's move towards setting up Omniverse Replicator. To use Replicator, we need to download Omniverse Launcher. Omniverse Launcher is a desktop application developed by NVIDIA that serves as a centralized hub for accessing, installing, and managing various tools and applications within the NVIDIA Omniverse ecosystem. For downloading it, we will search Omniverse Launcher Download on any browser. Click on the very first link. Then, if you do not have an NVIDIA account, then first create an account by clicking on this profile icon on the top right corner. Then type your email ID here. And press Continue. Now fill these credentials to create your account. And click this checkbox to continue. This screen will be shown once the account is created. Verify your account by clicking the link sent to your email ID. Once the email is verified, you will be redirected to your NVIDIA account. Finish setting up your NVIDIA profile by granting all the necessary permissions. Now fill these details to register to download NVIDIA Omniverse Developer Tools. Click on checkboxes and then submit it. Now, click on Download for Linux. It will start downloading. After downloading, move towards the Omniverse Launcher. Right-click and click on Properties option, then click on Permissions, and click on this checkbox. Then again, right-click on Omniverse Launcher, then click on Run. Give all permissions if asked, and then continue. You will be shown multiple options here. In exchange, you can install any application, extensions, etc. by searching on the search bar. Let's search for Omniverse. Or maybe IsaacSim. Here are the results for the extensions you can install. The installed apps and extensions will be shown in the library part. As you can see, the installed apps here, which are Code and Isaac Sim, have already been installed. The Nucleus option is similar to a database. The Learn section is for learning purposes, like all the basics of Omniverse. Multiple videos are available through which you can learn and explore about Omniverse. That's all about the basics and setting up of Omniverse Replicator. If you found this video helpful, stay tuned for more videos on Replicator. See you later.